trucks. This is the new 2023 Ram 2500 Heavy Duty Rebel.
Hey gearheads, and welcome to Garage Talk. I'm Corey and I am at the State Fair of Texas, and if you can tell from what's behind me, I am at the Ram Trucks booth, where Ram has made some pretty big news here at the 2022 State Fair of Texas. As you can see, they really rolled out the red carpet here, showing off all that the Ram truck lineup has to offer, including the legendary and infamous TRX right here, and I just love this color. But the real big news this year is the Ram 2500 Rebel. This is an addition to the Ram Power Wagon, and I actually got an opportunity to speak with Mike Koval, the head of the Ram brand. Nice to have you.
It's great to be back.
I absolutely love that y'all support the State Fair of Texas so much, my home state, and y'all brought something big this year. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're standing next to?
Well, I can. And first, it is, like I said, great to be back. Believe it or not, this is our 85th year.
That's crazy.
Collectively as a company at the fair, and 15 years, I think, in a row we've held this press conference to kick off the fair. So super excited to be back. What's great about this particular product is a lot of time we talk about the Ram 1500, the light duty, and those vehicles, because of the majority of the volume, tend to have more life cycle activations, buzz models, and that sort of thing.
Right.
Heavy duty is a little bit more of a steadier animal, and so that's why this is really big news. So this is the 2023 Ram 2500 Heavy Duty Rebel, and it's a derivative from our legendary Power Wagon.
Yes.
So the Power Wagon, of course, is legendary. We know what it can do from an off-road capability perspective, but our fans and customers have been asking us to offer the Cummins diesel engine in the Power Wagon. Now, for reasons mostly technical, I won't bore you with, I can't do that. So we've actually been working on this project kind of secretly for the last couple of years. But this is a Power Wagon. The bones of this are the Power Wagon, but now it has the Cummins diesel engine in it as well.
Now, the maximum towing for the 2023 Ram 2500 Heavy Duty Rebel is 16,870 pounds, and maximum payload is 3,140 pounds.
So that really is the big selling point of this, is the availability of the Cummins engine, but this does come standard with the 6.4.
It does. It comes standard with the legendary 6.4 liter HEMI V-8. This just provides an alternative. Still, I mean, you talk about the power band. The Cummins will give you 370 horsepower, 850 pound-feet of torque.
Yes.
The new 2023 Ram Heavy Duty Rebel also includes, of course, the unique exterior design, a sport performance hood for Mopar, aggressive 33-inch off-road tires, electronic rear locker and rear limited slip differential, skid plates, standard 20-inch wheels and optional 18-inch wheels, and an optional 12,000-pound Warn winch.
Yes. Now, a couple of the differences between the Rebel and the Power Wagon, this doesn't have the 2-inch lift for that extreme rock crawling. I mean, you can see these beautiful, aggressive 33-inch tires. Now, these come standard with 20s, optional 18s. Okay. The Power Wagon still has the 17s, though, because you need that more tire for those extreme off-road. But all the Bilstein shocks, the suspension is plush. Off-road or on-road is very, very tame, but it still has all the off-road chops that you would expect.
Our segment-leading suspension features the best ride quality, handling, load-carrying characteristics, and articulation, loaded or unloaded, with exclusive 5-link coil suspension.
So really, this is the Power Wagon for people who still need a truck to do heavy-duty truck things, and doesn't compromise when it comes to payload or towing. Actually,
the almost 17,000 pounds of towing capability and more than 3,100 pounds of payload. Wow. So it's no longer taboo to have one of these as your everyday driver. Certainly have all the on-road manners, but it's also for those who want to get off-road and play in the dirt a little bit, and it comes with the chops that you would want.
Available safety features include adaptive cruise control, full speed forward collision warning plus, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, automatic headlamps, and digital rear view mirror with tow mode.
So front suspension on this, I know the Power Wagon's got a live axle in the front. Does this have independent?
It does, but it doesn't have the disconnecting sway bar.
Okay.
That's one of the key differences between the two, and that's really what separates Power Wagon from every other truck on the planet, and that's how it's earned that legendary reputation. But it does have the electronic rear slip differential in the back, and so again, it can do everything, almost everything that the Power Wagon can do. But those are some of the subtle changes. But the Bilsteins are in here, same as the Power Wagon, so it's plush and it has all of the sort of legendary, I would say, driving characteristics that Ram really has become known for.
And then tech on the inside. I know during the press conference you were talking about the additional tech for trailering and navigation.
Ram heavy-duty Rebel models also include a 12-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen that runs 4 times faster and boasts 3 times more memory than the previous generation. It also features Wi-Fi capability and tow-specific navigation. The heavy-duty Rebel also features a 360-degree surround view camera, which includes forward view camera navigation. These are camera grid lines that actually help you navigate obstacles. The system also provides a single display screen view of both sides of the trailer to assist drivers in maneuvering the towing setups.
It's, at some stage, these trucks are so capable, just in general. You kind of hit the functional limits. Where do you go from there? At Ram, what we've tried to do is really keep the customer at the center of it. We want our customers, because we know, if you have a 10 or a 15 or a 20,000 pound trailer, that can be pretty nerve-wracking. Yeah. So what we've really focused on is to try to make trailering easier.
Yes.
We want to instill that confidence that we're easy to tow with. So we're putting a lot of our energy and resources behind 360-degree cameras, trailer towing assist, and we've got so much tech in this truck, but also it comes with the interior that we brought down when we launched the all-new Ram 1500 a couple of years ago. So the first thing, when you crawl into the cabin, you notice how comfortable and how quiet it is, that attention to detail. We have back seats that do front seat things.
Yes.
They're heated, they're cooled, they recline. That segment disrupting Uconnect 12-inch touchscreen, which that's actually now Series 5. So it's faster and more powerful in terms of memory than its outgoing generation. So loaded with tech, loaded with comfort, and still has all that off-road capability that we've become known for.
I really believe Ram changed the game when it came to truck interiors. Y'all saw the writing on the wall. Y'all have been here to Texas, you said, for 85 years now, coming to the State Fair. Y'all know these are family vehicles down here. We use these day in and day out, and truly bringing the luxury and premium interiors has been a game changer. Now everybody's chasing you. All right, gearheads, so here I am getting in the Ram 2500 Rebel, and instantly I see something I absolutely love, and most truck guys will, an actual column mounted shifter. So if you don't like the dial that 1500 models get, step on up to the 2500 and you can really manhandle your truck when putting it into gear. You also get a full digital display and a full digital infotainment screen right here. So a lot of tech brought to the inside of the 2500 heavy duty Rebel, and of course Ram's legendary, very luxurious interior. You can see Rebel embossed here on the seats. You get a Rebel badge here on the massive 2-tiered center console. I absolutely love the Ram center consoles. I think they are the best in the game. There's just so much that can be done with it. Down where your dial would be, you get your transfer case and your downhill descent control, axle lock, all that good stuff right there. Again, we talked about the digital display.
A new available 12-inch frameless digital cluster also features nearly 24 different menus. These full-color cluster features 5 reconfigurable tiles for at-a-glance data or quick and easy access to the most used information.
Multi-position seats, 2-person memory, all kinds of good stuff there. And then moving to the back seat, you see a very luxurious back seat here in the Rebel as well, and connectivity for all. So while this may be a truck that can do all on the trail or towing on the road, it's definitely a comfortable place for all parties involved.
Well, so we made some bold decisions. These are no longer your grandfather's pickups with crank windows and no power steering. But so that was part of that innovative, bold thinking when we really revolutionized both the light and heavy-duty pickup truck segments over the last couple of years.
The new 2023 heavy-duty Rebel MSRP starts right around $67,000. And the new Rebel models will begin arriving at dealerships in the fourth quarter of this year. So those who want in on this off-road action should absolutely visit their Ram truck dealers soon.
And now, as we transition and look forward to what's next, obviously big news here at the fair, but next month we're actually going to reveal the Ram 1500 battery electric concept truck just before the LA Motor Show. And look, we are on the precipice of truly a revolutionary time period in our industry. And we're all in, right? So we're still going to build these trucks that everybody knows and loves, but we're moving as well into the electrified space. Actually starts next year with the ProMaster large van. That'll be our first BEV, and then the Ram 1500 battery electric vehicle will come in 2024. But this really starts the journey for Ram on that, and we're pretty excited.
I am too. I'll be at LA. I'm very much looking forward to seeing that because you mentioned it in your press conference. Y'all aren't first to the game, but y'all are going to revolutionize that better electric truck market.
There's an old saying, you can't be late to the party and be inferior, right? And but in all seriousness, this is important. And we want to make sure that these trucks do all of the truck things, because that's one of the big pieces of research, not only research but feedback we've gotten, is that more and more truck intenders are open-minded at least to the idea of heavy electrification, but they're not willing to compromise on what makes a truck a truck. They still need to tow, they still need to haul. In other words, trucks still need to do truck things. So we're going to take the DNA that we've talked about, all the Ram DNA, the interiors and everything else, and we're going to electrify it. Think about that. But with full knowledge of what the competitors are doing, and we know we're behind them in terms of the timing, but that means we have to be better. You can't be late and inferior. And so we're looking at everything and we're talking to people, hey, I want to hear it all. I want to hear the good, the bad, the ugly, whatever your reservations might be, so that when we come to market at the right time, when the infrastructure is more mature, we will be out in front of the other guys on those attributes that mean most to truck buyers.
Main Gearheads, you know, you've let me know when we tested the F-150 Lightning exactly what y'all think of that. So very much looking forward to the future of electrified Ram vehicles and the future of the Ram brand. Mike, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for bringing a great showing here
great to be back.
To the State Fair.
It's great to be back. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, there you have it from the Ram truck booth at the State Fair of Texas. That is the new 2500 heavy-duty Rebel and a little bit of the future of the Ram brand from the man himself, Mike Koval, the CEO of the Ram brand. If you want to know more from us, more from Ram, what's going on, because I do have it on good authority, I will be behind the wheel of that Ram 2500 heavy-duty Rebel very soon. Be sure and hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you are notified when every new video drops. If you want to know more from us before it is here on YouTube, find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, all at GT Garage Talk. And you can find our award-winning podcast and links to everything we do at gtgaragetalk.com, or just search on your favorite podcast platform for GT Garage Talk. But from the State Fair of Texas and the Ram booth in particular, until next time, Gearheads, bye. Tucker, are you just having so much fun? Uh-huh. Do you see all the Broncos over there, Mommy? I will, but I'm still working a little bit, okay? You go have fun with Mom. You are? Well, I'm gonna go to Chevy. I'm gonna be at Chevy, okay? I'll meet y'all there.